Miguel of the Ghetto Diecast Customs YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff I sent him, and here's what he did with it. When he emailed these pictures, he also noted the excitement and popularity of pod racing had diminished greatly. No crowds in the stands means no gambling credits coming in. To bring back the crowds and betting, the huts added weapons to pod racers. This turned races into death matches, so the regular racers are now too scared to compete, even when the credits to the winner had tripled. Bounty hunters, spice runners, and fighter pilots from all over the systems are manning the pod racers. Pod racing is now the most exciting and illegal sport in the Outer Rim. I love the story behind this, and I love these builds. I never would have imagined anything like this. I'm still looking at them trying to figure out what he used to create some of these parts. They're really cool. He did a handful of these. As you'll notice, he sent a wonderful selection of pictures. And he did a handful of these. And each one is quite unique. And I think, I'm not sure which one out of the 5 is my favorite. There's one that definitely has a Star Wars, more of a Star Wars feel to it, and I think that's coming up here in a few seconds. I think it's the color. Yeah, this one. I think it's the coloring on it that just reminds me, it gives me that Star Wars feel. When he emailed these pictures, he also mentioned that he's shooting to have this video, the build video out on May the 4th, which I'm sure Star Wars fans also appreciate, as in, May the 4th be with you. So these are fantastic, Miguel. And some pieces I can kind of recognize, and some I don't know what you used to create them, but they're all really cool. So be sure and go and check out Miguel's channel. There will be a link to his YouTube channel in the description for this video. And as soon as the build video is up, I'll put a link to that in the description as well. I hope all of you are enjoying these builds as much as I am. And there's more to come. So everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Thanks again, Miguel, for taking part in the challenge. And catch y'all in the next one.